Professor and Head of the Department of Automobile Engineering of REC College. He has 25 years of experience in teaching and research and 1 year of experience in the industry. In addition to this, he is currently acting as the coordinator of REC AICTE IDEA Lab, and he's the SPOG for NPTEL local chapter, and he has organized several workshops and conferences for the students and the faculty. He obtained his undergraduation from the University of Madras in the year 1997. He received his MS by research in the field of internal combustion engines from Anna University in the year 2002, and he obtained his PhD from Anna University in the year 2014 in the area of HCCI engine with alternative fuels. His biography included in Marquis Who's Who in the World 2015 and 16 based on his research publications. He has published over 130 research papers including 70 Scopus indexed international journal publications in the field of alternative fuels, combustion and catalytic converts and materials. He is a reviewer for many peer-reviewed international journals. He has co-authored the book titled Engineering Mechanics and Engineering Drawing to his credit. He has published 4 book chapters in Elsevier and Springer publications. He has received 3 patents. He has delivered many special lectures and practical training sessions to employees of automotive industries. He is an active member of Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE. It's an honor to have you amongst us, sir. Over to you.
Thank you for the nice introduction. Good afternoon, participants. So I am here to explain what we are doing in the Rajalakshmi Engineering College. Our presence in India, our NIRF ranking is 86. We are growing. Last year we are in 95th ranking and we are moving to 86th ranking in India, and last year was a very eventful year, and we have accredited almost all the departments who are eligible, and 12 programs were accredited, and we have received NAC A++ maximum accreditation 3.62 out of 4, and the innovation ranking is also from 51 to 100, and we have received MSME funding for 1.3 lakhs, and we have received AICTE Idea Lab last year, and the functioning from the last month onwards. I am the coordinator for that. And DST FIST funding of 1.3 crores we have received last year. And our student strength is around 8,200 and more than 500 plus faculty members. And the consultancy worth of 4.5 crores we have done for the almost different industries and different field of interest. And our students and faculty combinedly filed a patent of 167, and out of it 37 patents were granted, and research funding almost 20 crores. This is our industry institution interaction cell, which is IIIC. Our vision is to make our college as an environment for the faculty and students to make the industry problem to be solved. So the various areas in which we are working is the web and mobile application, IoT, deep learning, computer vision, mission vision. Actually, we started our consultancy with the mission vision projects. We have given solution to various companies from medical industries to mechanical industries. Image processing and mission vision combinedly we have done a lot of things, and digital manufacturing, MEMS we have done excellent infrastructure and solutions to various sensors and mini gyroscopes, and several applications we have made, and mechanical fabrication, microbiology. This is areas we are now coming into picture. Organic food product development, you can see in our stall also we have produced a NERA project, value addition to agricultural extracts, material testing, and sustainable construction materials we are into it. There are 75 projects we have already completed, and we have 23 clients. One of the important projects we have done for Rane Madras, which attracted the various awards. One such award is Rane Excellence Award we have received for the project. There are 3 projects we have done. For the one project, we have received a Rane Excellence Award last year. So this is one international consultancy service we have done for IoT smart board for the Norway-based company. Each board can have a different control things we can able to see from all the data will be stored in the cloud, and from the cloud we can able to access the data, right? What is the safety of the boat, right? There are kitchen area and other areas. What is the level of smoke? What is the temperature? What is that? So many things we have done. These are all the 6 products we have developed exactly for boat applications, and one is a monitor which will show you smoke, temperature, and humidity level. And we have a bridge monitor and the battery monitor. Smart fluid boats will have 2 tanks, will have a sludge and sewage. Freshwater tanks will be there, and whether the levels are maintained, and automatically it will maintain the level. And security monitor and smart connect, which will always data will be stored in the cloud, and we can receive the data wherever we want. The next project is from Rani, that is SFMS, that is shop floor management systems. And this project, almost in the shop floor, what are the things comes in and how the process is happening. Every stage, the supervisor and higher level authorities can be taken a glimpse of the data, right? What is really happening, and within one click, they can able to see how the progress is made, and through mobile application itself, right? And this is very interesting project, AIML, Artificial Intelligence Machine Learning for again Rane Madras, and they are manufacturers of the steering column, and the steering column sometimes will have a bends, right? This bends can be, actually we are trying to generate a data, right? Based on that data, we are trying to assess what all the root causes, and based on that, we can able to avoid such problems in the future. And this is again another interesting project, which is Vehicle Food Products Limited. Say for example, there are 36 varieties of commodities, grains, say every small pack of 100 grams, then we can able to put it in the bed, so that we can able to capture the image, and based on the capturing image, we can able to say whether what is the quality of the grains, color, what is the whether we can able to acquire or not, right? That decision making we can able to do, and how much amount of, say for example, 100 grains, out of 100 grains, how many grains are good, required size, right? Those things we can able to predict for that particular company. They appreciated our work. Then the same HRMS, this is again another application we have done for Rani. See, we have always repeated customers based on our projects. Super Autoforge and Rani are frequently, they will give that projects. This is a basic HRMS for applications, because shop floor we have already done a good job in that. So allocation of work, instead of seeing directly face to face, generally the shift, one shift is moving to the other shift, then the in charges will talk together, right? What happens on the next shift, right? Those things will be now automated, and the work can be easily monitored, and it also helps in the basic HR details, like how many days they are present and all those things. It's for salary processing also. Then we have a Nippon Paints microbiological testing. They are having a plant in the Sri Perumbudur, and we are taking the samples. This is an ongoing project, and every set of sample will take physical and chemical properties will be tested, and whether it is within the standards or not, right? That certification we are doing. And this is again mission vision. This is our strength actually. Tulip assembly, not only tulip assembly, any complicated machine parts. Normally, with the help of manual thing, if you want to measure the dimensions of the product, very intricate shapes, right? That we can able to automate with the help of machine vision. We have sufficient knowledge and expertise in that, and we have done lot of such projects. One such project recently done is for MT industry, and which has like a spline, profile, thread, keyway, all these things we can able to very accurately measure whether it within the limits or not, so that if it is any variation is there, then that variation, that product will be separated from the line. So very high accuracy with which 15 to 45 micron level of accuracy we can able to make. Then is another, see, we are having a food technology. This food technology department is now taking a project on Jamma Botanics, where we take coffee and tea, right? This coffee, tea, say for example, we take ginger tea, right? The ginger tea, normally people are using chemical things to make a flavor of ginger, right? Now we are trying to make the biological ginger into a small essence, and that essence is concentrated essence can be directly used so that you can have a real feeling of ginger, right? That kind of a projects which are done with the help of physical and chemical properties. And this is again, this is already done for DJ Coconut Farms, the Neera. Actually, this product actually lifetime is only 15 minutes. When you take more than 15 minutes, it will become up to 15 minutes. It is very good for health, right? We say normally we'll say kallu, right? Panamarathlande edukrom illaya. That's a thing. This you can able to make it as a concentrate, and concentrate can be made as a drinkable product, right? This is another interesting project, which is demonstration is also available in the cell 74. And these are all the few visits and demo the last 2 years. These are all the things, the company visits and discussions. These are all our customers: Rane, Nippon, Snap, Sakti, Qmax, MT Industries, Super Auto Forge. Super Auto Forge, we have done several projects which are not, so these are long-standing things. We can able to check their, most of the machine components. Machine component for accuracy level we are doing. And our college is promoting such an industry blend, so that we are having a lot of center of excellence in REC. Assistive technology, biofilm, computational fluid dynamics. We have excellent facilities which are available in the computational fluid dynamics, which is headed by Nateri Sudasan sir. Almost few DRDO projects also we have done, the flight, the bad heating on the flight, right? That simulation we have done, and there are several, even for engines, the CFD and combustion process with rotary injectors. And digital manufacturing also we are having, and data science. Assistive technology is another interesting area where the students have the artistic things, those who are not able to learn very quickly. For them, we have created self-learning things, right? Mostly it is available foreign-based things, and now we have made our Indianized way of teaching how to brush, how to see even small things the children are not able to do because of their learning disability, right? Those children's, we have done a good software package so that they can able to see repeatedly. When they see, then they are able to come up with the good practice. And we have done one more thing for the livelihood of those people also. They, even though their learning is not that up to the level with the fast learning, but once they learn, they will do it in a very, very effective way, right? Livelihood opportunities also we have trained them. The MEMS is another interesting area. We have done several jobs. I'll show you the different systems which are available in the MEMS. These are all the facilities which are available in the biotechnology. And this is for construction material, different types of construction material. Even there are a lot of industries generating a lot of waste, right? The waste disposal is a big problem in the industries. The grinding waste, we have made this grinding waste and combined with the cement, we have made bricks, right? That bricks are more strength than the normal bricks, right? There are several such technologies we have developed, and we have received a patent also for that. In the aero auto mechanical stream, we have the variable compression ratio engine, 3D laser printing, CNC routers, and vibration testing, CNC, all the scanning devices we have, and 3D printing, right? So we have established AICT Idea Lab. Those who are the industries, those who want to use, they can come and use freely, so that the industry problems, if you say that our students are also available, so you can able to make use of that because it is a 4,000 square feet area in which we have created that huge facility in which 3D printing, 3D scanning, and IoT, PCB, then conventional machining center, and all those things are available under the one roof, so that when you come with a problem, you can go with the product, right? That kind of a setup we have, and the industries are most welcome to use those facilities for your projects also. And this is MEMS and microfluidics. We have more than 3-4 crores worth of investment we have made for creating a lot of very interesting features like GC columns, right? GC columns are very costly, and sensors we have made for several applications, right? Those things are very, very less cost and miniature in size, so that we can able to use. But it is very, very, the class room 6 and classroom ISO 7 we have, right? These are all very, very precise machines with which even the environment is very important for fabricating those components. And this is our strength, the machine vision. Depending upon the application, we can able to create the images, and the images can be compared, so that we can able to say whether the machined product is right. So even rubber surface level scratches we can able to find out, right? So what is your requirement? That requirement can be met. Whatever we have done manually, right? Manual inspection, measuring, all those things can be automated. So this is how we have done. We have done. Any questions? Yeah. Yeah.
In army and other ordnance factories regarding ring laser gyro systems.
Gyro systems, we have already made one small gyro.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
there are different variants of it. So is it possible?
Yes,
to
yes,
connect
yes.
with
We
you?
have expertise in that. We have already made a gyroscope in the MEMS, right? You can visit our stall, right?
Okay.
74 is our stall. I think we have that gyroscope also here.
Okay.
Micro columns and gyroscopes are available.
As per I have visited many firms in army and ordnance factories and HL. So there are different variants of it. So
Yeah. See, if you are able to say precisely what is your requirement, then we can discuss and we can able to make.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening. There is no further questions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for enlightening us with the progress of your college. Thank you so much.